Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the homemade gunpowder in Windrose. First of all, in the discovery you'll need to unlock the foothills biome, and in the foothills biome you'll need to find sulfur, on which you'll need an iron pickaxe to mine. The sulfur is found on these giant rock formations, on the side of them, so like this, or in a small rock that looks like this. Also, this small rock can be found in the coastal jungle biome also. As you can see, I got some sulfur from it. So, once you've gathered your sulfur, you want to go to the charcoal kiln and make some charcoal. This is going to make your charcoal, and it is going to produce some ash, which is necessary for crafting the gunpowder. Another thing you'll need is a millstone, which can be unlocked by finding corn inside of the foothills biome. The corn is located at a ancient village where there are plenty of cornfields, and you can find corn. Inside of the millstones, here you can find the homemade gunpowder recipe, on which you'll need 10 sulfur and 20 ash. So, this is pretty much all how you get homemade gunpowder in Windrose. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.